Yes, $576. Oof, the market volatility knocked my option out, and at the end of the session, I got $1,242. All right, and for my first bid, I'm gonna place 150. I wanna leave some money for the insurance amount because you never know what's gonna happen on the market. So it's good to have that extra insurance. And let's take a look. All right. Well, I'm gonna enter a put option here as the zigzag pattern clearly indicates a downtrend. The Bollinger Bands and SAR also confirm the decline, and Arun is signaling a short position. So it's time to go down, and we are going for it. Guys, and just a quick reminder, or in case you somehow forgot, I have a really special Telegram channel. You will find the link below this video. And in my TG channel, I share everything I know and learn about trading on a daily basis. The pro trading tips, the insights, the signals, the best strategies are waiting for you right there. So don't forget to check it out because it's really, really good. Right, $288 is my first win of the day, and it's lovely. So we got off the right foot. Okay, the next asset pair, and let's see. Well, I'm gonna increase the bid to 200 now. And I'm gonna enter a call option because the price is breaking above the middle Bollinger Band. The zigzag is confirming the uptrend, and Arun has also given a buy signal. So all the indicators suggest further upward movement, and we are going to wait for that rise to happen. All right. Oof, the market volatility knocked my option out. But guys, that happens, that really does. I think I'm gonna stick to the same asset pair. I don't see a point of changing it. Although I'm going to slightly increase the bid to $288. And since the overall trend remains intact, I am going to confidently enter another long position. So we are going for a long once again. And fingers crossed, the market won't surprise us in an unpleasant way once again. But overall, you know, you just gotta know how to deal with that, because it happens to all of us, it happens to the best of us, and nothing you can really do about it other than accept and move on. And if it was your mistake, you learn to analyze it and reflect on it and just avoid it next time, essentially. That is the key, I would say. Yay, $552.90. Here we go. Amazing. All right, let's see what's up with the Dogecoin. And I'm going to decrease the bid slightly back to $200 this time. And oh guys, take a look. The downtrend has begun for this coin with the price breaking below the middle Bollinger Band and continuing downward. The zigzag, SAR, and Arun all confirm further downside. So I'm gonna enter a put option here and wait for that drop to happen because it seems like it's inevitable. it is going to drop. I should do more stretching. I keep thinking of it and still trying to balance the daily routine, and sometimes it's working, but sometimes it's not. I think it's very natural when you're traveling and you don't want to, stick to the routine too much, but at the same time, you want to leave some room for spontaneity, but also some priority things should be there. Okay. Next bid, $250. All right. And I need the chain link right there. Okay. I think I got an idea what's happening, but just give me a couple of more seconds. So I always tell you, do not rush into any decisions because, it's better to take your time. We are approaching a resistance level, expecting a pullback downward, at least to retest the middle Bollinger Band. So I'm gonna enter a put option here and wait for that drop to happen. That's right. It's really interesting. I usually stick to more traditional assets, as you know, but every once in a while I kind of want to spice up my trading journey and pick something new. So today is sort of an experiment when I'm only trading the crypto assets, and so far I find it pretty enjoyable. What do you think? Tell me in the comments if you love to stick to specific assets or you are open-minded and love to play around. $480. Great result. But I want to do one more trade. I don't want to stop here. I think we can definitely do one more. Maybe Cardano. Let's see. No, I think we should try maybe Toncoin. Let's see the market here. Okay, and I'm going to place $300 for this next one. And let's see. Well, the price is following a clear zigzag pattern, and Arun is steadily signaling a long position. SAR and Bollinger Bands also support this uptrend, so I'm going to enter a call option here. Let's go for it. Yes, $576. Guys, I started small today. I mean, I only had $350 in my wallet, and at the end of the session, I got $1,242. And if this isn't an amazing result, then I wonder what really is. I am really happy with the outcome. And if you want to get the stable earnings every time you trade, I highly recommend you to check out my TG channel, the link to which you will find below this video, because everything I know and learn about trading is waiting for you right there. The top tier strategies, the best insights and unique signals, as well as the top trading tips, literally everything I put out there for you. So don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun and learned something new. And I can't wait to see you back here really soon. Okay? Bye!